Hi everyone, it's Earl Foote with Nexus IT, founder CEO here. I'm joined by one of our latest recruits, Cade Johnson, who has joined us as a Tier 1 help desk engineer. He's been an awesome addition to the team. He is so good with taking care of our clients and he's so quick at doing it. He's had tons of positive feedback and 5-star reviews so far. He's really been awesome. He actually joined us out of California. We had to go hunt for him in the dark depths of Southern California and brought him, to Salt Lake to be with us. Cade, why don't you tell people something fun and interesting about you and how things are going here?
Right on. I moved from San Diego, California. I was a prior service. I like to work on cars. I love anything IT. I spend all my free time looking at IT videos, building rigs and stuff like that. So what a better career field to be in than IT.
So awesome. We're so happy to have you. Welcome to the team, Cade. We're signing off. See y'all.